in the House and in the Senate that I have been able to take the positions I have always believed in. And I've never been forced to take a position that I don't believe in. And I want to continue doing that as I run or aspire or plan to run for higher office.
Something tangible that is tangible. Something as in
Batas lang po.
ideas like
Batas lang po. I was the principal author of the Early Childhood Development Act, which principally gave attention to preschool rather than starting simply at grade 1. I was the principal author of the creation of the Department of Basic Education, which among others segregated higher education, skills, which is now with TESDA, and sports, which is now with PSC. Dati po kasi DEX yan, di ba? Department of Education, Culture, and Sports. We follow the simple logic. Ang problema kasi noon sa DEX, pag magaling sa sports yung estudyante, hinihila ng PE teacher sa field yung estudyante, yung teacher, tinutulog din sa field yung estudyante, dyan ka na, magaling ka sa sports eh. So you wanted to separate it para yung development niya pantay. Kaya mo magtago or maghilahan yung PE, yung sports aspect, development ng bata, at yung educational development din nung bata. In the Senate, it's the passage of the minimum wage exemption law, which BIR has not implemented. There's a pending Supreme Court decision up to now. The basic role of that would be, sana palakihin yung take-home pay ng manggagawa. Hindi mo natataasan yung sweldo, palakihin mo lang yung take-home para walang inflationary effects. That's about 14 billion only per year. Government can easily set that off. But it makes a big difference from the point of view of the worker. In the Senate, the anti-torture law, which has remained pending for the past so many decades, finally we approved it in DICAM. It has been with GMA for the past 2 months. She hasn't signed it yet. And I don't know what she plans to do with it.
It has to be done and nagawa niya. That's why we asked. Maybe we should know in the first place that that's your job, you're a lawmaker, you don't implement it. So maybe,
But even as a lawmaker, even as a lawmaker, ano naniniwala ka? Problema natin ng implementation hindi na batas. How many laws do we have? Total.
too many to memorize.
You have approximately 3,000, not more than 3,000 Act numbers, approximately 1,000 Commonwealth Act numbers, approximately 1,000 PDs, that makes it 4,000, approximately 1,000 Batas Pambansas, that makes it 5,000, and you have 9,000 plus Republic Acts, so that's about 14,000 laws. Sa totoo lang, ano bang problema natin ngayon? Di ba? Maraming nagnanakaw sa gobyerno. Nasa batas na yun, galing pa sa Diyos, nakaukit sa bato, hindi lang nakasulat sa papel. Di ba? Sabi ng Diyos sa Ten Commandments, Thou shalt not steal. Hindi pa sinunod.
Sinusita.
Di ba? Anong problema? Human rights. Thou shalt not kill. Ano din yun it's actually implemented. But I agree with that statement. Si Erap lang naman na may karanasan sa pagiging presidente sa totoo lang. Wala naman iba eh. If you want to talk experience, you want to talk ano nagawa as president or to be president, si Erap lang naman siguro yung may pwedeng pakita ng I was formerly president and this is what I did or did not do for that matter. All the rest, wala naman eh. Take them up one by one. Gilbert. As a member of Congress, same as me, 9 years. Same question. Noy, sabay din kami. Same question. Villar ahead of me by 1 term. Same question. In fact, in the case of one of the names I mentioned, will not say who in particular, huwag natin masyadong pagmalaki yung nagawang batas. Kasi baka naman yung mga nagawa nilang batas, sarili lang din nila ang napaboran at hindi naman taong bayan. So, if you tell me, we will vote for the president supposed to pass the most number of laws. Is it possible for us to look at the laws he passed? Sino bang na-benepisyo ng batas na pinas niya? Para kanino ba yung batas na pinas niya? Marami nga. Pero, hindi naman para sa kabutihan na rin ng lahat. And let me teach you about an ongoing fight in Congress. When does one become a principal author of a bill? This also applies to the bills I mentioned that. Pag ikaw ang unang nag-file ng bill, first in time, first in right, ikaw ang principal author. Pag may mga ibang nag-file, co-author na lang yan. Pero saan ba galing yung bill? Ano ba ginagawa ng mga congressman madalas? Titingnan nila yung mga final na nakaraang kongreso na hindi nabasa. So, kukunin nila isa-isa, ito, file mo. Palakasan ngayon yun. Yung pinakamalakas na congressman ng senador, pinapareserve na yung first 200 House bills. House Bill number 1 to House Bill number 200. Senate Bill number 1 to Senate Bill number 100. So, wala naman intellectual property dyan na kunyari ako talaga yung nag-invento ng batas. No, demanda ko yung kapwa ko senador at congressman na kinopy niya? No way. So,
Vlog mo.
kasi diba, so sa principal author, whether he actually thought of it or not.
I like that.
Now, whether he actually did anything or not, he will go into the record and claiming to the outside world that I am the principal author of this. But what is the actual procedure? Pag ni-refer sa committee yan, sa sponsor niya, mag-iibit na ng resource persons, is the chairman who will listen to everything, who will push for the bill. Chairman of the committee to which it is referred to. Pag ni-report out yan on the floor, it's the chairman who will defend it on the floor. And he's now called a sponsor. He's the sponsor of the bill. Unless he will delegate to the author the right to defend the bill. But it's the principal duty of the sponsor to shepherd the bill and make sure it's passed. To defend the bill and make sure it is passed. Pag sa BICAM, nag-uusap yung dalawa, mangled version, same version, bigay sa presidente. Question, can you actually lay claim to it? I cannot have a bill passed even if I authored it if I don't have the support of at least 13 senators. The same is true in the House. Na, unfair naman din siguro i-claim mo na diba na, ako lang to. I did it by my lonesome, by myself. Walang turno na iba. Hindi rin. So it's in that context that we should look at the passage of bills. Na walang in-author na bill. May isang senador, walang in-author na bill. But he actively participates in the interpellations and debates of all the bills. Can you tell me na wala siyang nagawa? Wala siya doon, hindi siya author. But he's doing his part because the Senate, like Congress, is a deliberative body. We are there to sift through these bills, bring there your concerns and objections, and be able to discuss intelligently and decide. So na hindi siya ang author, wala ba siyang nagawa? Meron naman din siguro.